Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing some of our crypto predictions for 2023. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving and it can be tough to keep up with all the latest developments. That's why we've done the research and compiled a list of our top predictions for the upcoming year. We'll be covering a wide range of topics, including the future of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as some up-and-coming altcoins that you might want to keep an eye on. So, if you're interested in staying ahead of the curve in the world of cryptocurrency, make sure to stick around for the whole video. As we enter 2023, what happens with crypto funding and coin will be critical as to whether we stay in a sustained bear market, suspects Jamie Burke, CEO and founder of Outlier Ventures. On the one hand, he notes that the strength of the venture market has persisted, with billions of funding still pouring into the space and high levels of capital waiting to be deployed, and that we have seen a record number of applications in our most recent cohorts for 2022.
Burke acknowledges that the venture landscape is undeniably changing, and that fund managers going into 2023 are conserving capital, instead of the bull run strategy of spray and pray. He predicts that next year, many investors will double down on existing, less risky investments from later-stage companies already showing growth. As to what that could mean for the space at large, or how else crypto might twist and turn in 2023, we've rounded up predictions from smart people in the space, from the bullish to the skeptical. 1. Epic battles over regulation. The exact outcome is anyone's guess, but 2023 could be the year where the clashes over regulation finally reach their climax. There's going to be harsh crypto regulation proposed and an epic battle by the community to fight the parts of it that threaten decentralization, says Laura Shin, host of the Unchained podcast. 2. Web platforms continue to grow. Larger macro downturn market conditions should hopefully shift crypto projects away from speculation and more towards utility. One major utility category simply being meaningful, fun, social experiences, predicts Alex Dong, the de facto head of Friends with Benefits DL. He expects this to translate to more meaningful Web3 social platforms and protocols. 3. More bleeding, more losses, more pain. The contagion isn't anywhere close to over, says Sas Piansi, co-host of the Crypto Critics Corner podcast. Piansi says that companies, banks, and funds are desperately hoping the market moves past the FTX and Alameda collapse, or strictly focuses on their malfeasance. But whether people like it or not, you can't wish away a credit crunch and exposure to bad counterparties. 4. Truly global Bitcoin adoption. When I spoke with Alex Gladstein, Chief Strategy Officer of Human Rights Foundation, he had just returned from a Bitcoin conference in Ghana. I was blown away, says Gladstein. I was staggered by the number of Bitcoin entrepreneurs and leaders from so many different countries. He met people from rural Cameroon, from Democratic Republic of the Congo, from Somalia, from conflict zones. 6. Web3 gets fashionable. Fashion will continue to lead the way when it comes to Web3 adoption, says Kathy Hackle, Chief Metaverse Officer at Journey. We will see further collaborations between Web3 personalities and consumer and luxury brands that want to explore new commerce models and customer touchpoints. 5. Maybe a focus on life outside of crypto/Bitcoin/blockchain. When asked for his 2023 predictions, the Bitcoin mega bull Peter McCormack, host of What Bitcoin Did podcast, replied simply, "Real Bedford will win the league." Obviously, this is a cheeky joke. McCormack purchased the team in 2021, but this might contain the kernel of a deeper truth. For many in the space, during crypto winter, it's useful, even healthy, to focus on other interests. 7. Don't count out NFTs. The sustained high-risk appetite in NFT funding in 2022 is a strong indicator that it will be one of the first sectors to recover next year, says Burke. Throughout the past year, we were already beginning to see major NFT investments from major Web2 brands, Starbucks and Disney, and across Web3. This shows no sign of stopping in 2023. Brands will continue to flock to NFTs. 8. Gaming and DAOs continue to grow. Burke is similarly bullish on gaming, as prominent Web3 game titles that have been in development for quite some time, including Big Time, Star Atlas, Ember Sword, will finally see the light of day in 2023, either as full-fledged games or more playable demos. As for decentralized autonomous organizations, DAO, although it may seem that the current bear market has forced the industry to hit pause, the growth of new DAOs has accelerated exponentially, with each month in 2022 producing more new DAOs than 2021 witnessed altogether, says Burke. 9. The big exchanges become disaggregated. Exchange stack gets disaggregated. We see custody, brokerage, and exchange/price discovery get broken out into different players, just like in traditional finance. This makes it impossible for another FTX to happen, says Hezi Qureshi, managing partner at Dragonfly Capital. Then Qureshi offers a parallel prediction. When trust is low, incumbents consolidate. Coinbase, Binance, Uniswap will likely gain market share in aggregate, as people are less likely to trust smaller and weaker players. Network effects get stronger. And finally, 10. The space regroups. Read the room and assess the damage, says Sandra Rowe, CEO of the Global Blockchain Business Council, who then gives a bit of advice for the space at large. Regroup with humility, rebuild with integrity, regain trust, rise again.
Well, there you have it, our top crypto predictions for 2023. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of what the future might hold for the world of cryptocurrency. As always, it's important to remember that these are just predictions and that the future is always uncertain. However, by staying informed and keeping an eye on the latest developments in the crypto world, you'll be well equipped to navigate whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know your own crypto predictions for 2023 in the comments below.